On a chilly November night in 1953, a mysterious event unfolded over the vast expanse of Lake Superior, leaving behind a perplexing tale that continues to baffle investigators and UFO enthusiasts alike. The Kinross incident, as it came to be known, involves the inexplicable disappearance of a U.S. Air Force jet and its crew while in pursuit of an unidentified flying object. It was just another routine evening at Kinross Air Force Base in Michigan, when radar operators detected an unusual blip on their screens. The object, moving at incredible speeds, caught their attention immediately. Following standard protocol, they scrambled an F-89C Scorpion interceptor to investigate the anomaly. At the controls of the jet were First Lieutenant Felix Moncla Jr. and Second Lieutenant Robert Wilson. As they took to the skies, little did they know that this mission would become one of the most puzzling cases in UFO history. The Scorpion climbed rapidly, its powerful engines propelling it towards the mysterious target. Ground control maintained constant communication with the pilots, guiding them closer to the unidentified object. As the jet closed in, tension mounted both in the cockpit and at the base. Suddenly, something extraordinary happened. The radar operators watched in disbelief as the blip, representing the F-89C, merged with the unidentified object. For a brief moment, the two signals became one, before vanishing completely from the radar screen. Frantic attempts to re-establish contact with Moncla and Wilson proved futile. The jet and its crew had simply vanished without a trace. Despite an extensive search and rescue operation that lasted for days, no wreckage or bodies were ever found. The disappearance of the Kinross F-89 sparked intense speculation and numerous theories. Some believed it was a tragic accident, perhaps caused by a malfunction or pilot error. Others, however, were convinced that something more extraordinary had occurred. UFO researchers latched onto the case, suggesting that the jet had been abducted by an alien craft. They pointed to the unusual radar readings and the complete lack of debris as evidence of an otherworldly encounter. The U.S. Air Force, for its part, offered conflicting explanations. Initially, they claimed the jet had crashed into the lake after experiencing mechanical problems. Later, they suggested that Moncla had become disoriented and flown into the water. However, these explanations did little to satisfy those who believed something more sinister was at play. Decades have passed, but the Kinross incident remained shrouded in mystery. The families of Moncla and Wilson continue to seek answers, while UFO enthusiasts and skeptics alike debate the true nature of that fateful night over Lake Superior. As we ponder the enigma of the Kinross incident, we're left with more questions than answers. What really happened to that F-89 Scorpion? Did it encounter something beyond our understanding, or was it simply a tragic accident lost to the depths of Lake Superior? The truth may forever remain elusive, but the Kinross incident serves as a haunting reminder of the mysteries that still lurk in our skies and the brave men and women who risk their lives in pursuit of the unknown. If you found this video intriguing, please like, share, and subscribe to Infinite O'Neill for more fascinating stories that challenge our understanding of the world around us.